Alright guys, it is a beautiful day out today on Tuesday rides. I'm with my buddy Caleb. I'm back. I did a couple of research on the microphones. This is test number 4. This is all the noise cancellation is off completely, but I still keep the same camera profiles. So 4K, shutter speed at 160, and just more than anything, just testing the microphones. I want to see how that sounds. Why is it that every time that we come out to ride it's traffic? I know. Clutch. Hell yeah. We'll take this first exit, I think. I ain't playing with her, bro. What?
No, God! No, God, please, no!
You think I'm flirting with her? Oh, look! Hey!
Brother.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Such a beautiful entrance. Oh, god dang, dude. Hell yeah. Oh, that is so sick.
That is fire, dude.
Oh,
Single-sided swing arm.
I know. I miss mine. Look at the Termignoni exhaust.
Oh.
Right here. That is so sick, dude. Ooh, V4S for super safe. So we're at Wayland's. If y'all need a bike service, he got you. And next day there was nothing on it.
Yeah. So it's definitely not overfilled. So that's good.
Alright dude, after the suspension adjustment, it feels so much better. It rides really nice. But it got taller on me. I cannot fluff it anymore. I'm just kidding. It's stupid tail. Feels great. Could be on 5. Oh, you in the shell? Oh, I got you. Dude, I'm so happy. Yeah. CVR right there, little beautiful duck right there. Yeah, CF Moto friend right here. This is sick. Hey, what's up, man?
And I'm Brian.
Brian, pleased to meet you, man. I'm on Estelle.
Okay. Ride an old freaking like 2001 Triumph, and I had one of my buddies fall. I freaking quit riding for like maybe, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, I need to get back on. And
yeah.
got me this one. I love it, dude.
It's sick.
Yeah.
That is badass, dude.
What do you got, bro?
I have a Panigale V4.
Damn. Hell yeah.
Yeah. So my buddy Caleb.
Oh yeah. What's up, Caleb?
Brian.
Fine, man.
Brian, good to meet you, brother.
Oh, look at that H2. Hell yeah, Brian. I thought I had the baddest. Not anymore.
Shit, jacket. I didn't bring no jacket because I was like, man, I'm fixing to buy one.
Yeah, dude.
Ride with the regular like freaking leather jacket that I have.
Yeah, I normally don't ride with gear either.
Really?
Yeah, I normally use it just to go to work, but
Yeah.
Tuesdays and Sundays is
My
the
girl's just the one that stresses it. You know, she says, hey, man, you got a baby now. Like, you're not.
same here, bro.
Yeah. My girl's like, you're not single no more. Like, you got to make it home.
Yep. I agree. Same here. Can't do that no more.
It's not bad.
Oh, it's badass, dude. What are you talking about?
I see they have a triple R over at the showroom for a cycle shack.
Uh-huh.
I was going to pick up some parts. I walk in there and I was like, oh. And the guy that sold me my bike comes up, he's like, hey, you want to trade yours in? I'm like, bro, it's like buying another whole fucking bike.
Yeah. I think he's sick, dude. 28? God dang.
And I was like, I don't think I can do that.
Bro, you know how long I chased this helmet?
I got it.
I couldn't find the fucking helmet.
They got them here. You can order it. I ordered mine.
That thing is sick.
I wasn't going to get it, but they convinced me to get it.
Hell yeah, dude. I got this plain ass black. Can't go wrong with it.
It's the X15?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It catches a lot of eyes. Like,
No, it's a good looking helmet, dude.
and I came from like a GT Air. I finally rode with the X15 and I was like, oh shit. And I was like, I put my wind up at 100 and I'm like, wow, my head's up going.
Yeah.
And it's quiet. The helmet's good.
Yeah. His fucking bike sounds better than mine. So, going to get a smoothie with the buddy. Hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Say hi to the channel.
¿Cómo estás? Very fluent in Spanish.
Yeah, it's a Spanish duck right there. Oh, it's another.
Brother.
It's another.
Brother.
Alright, got them free tacos by Cycle Gear. They said to get two. Got the boy Caleb right here with the tacos. Got the smoothie. Here's $1,000 right here. Yeah, it's pretty. Passion red. That is so beautiful. Now I was between this and the V4, but I decided to get the duck. Hey bro, hey, we gotta link up.
Yes, sir.
Brother.
Ah, fuck that. Fucking crazy, dude. keep up with him.
Brother.
You're crazy, bro. Anyways, guys, I hope that a good video can come out of today's recordings. Again, if y'all live in the north and y'all want service done, take your bike to Whalen. He's good people. He knows what he's doing. And he used to work for Ducati, so he's really good with these bikes. And every second Tuesday of every month, Cycle Gear does a bike night. This is my first time coming out to any type of bike night, any type of meet. That's pretty cool. So I think I'll just do the rest of the ride over here.